little bit of an ice storm out here. Everything is turned to solid ice from the freezing rain. All the trees are snapping and breaking. And here I got my Jeep parked right underneath the tree. See how thick the ice is on here. Crazy. Just caked in real heavy ice. Power's out right now. You hear trees crackling and breaking off in the distance everywhere. Power's probably going to be out for a couple of days with this ice storm. These trees are going to annihilate all the power lines. It's solid ice. A little crunchy.